Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here, and today we're completing part 7 of our Pink, Purple, and Giraffes Oh My scrapbook album. I really love this album for all of its details. As you can see on the background page of this layout, we have so many different things. We've got a champagne bottle, purses, coffee, sunglasses, all of the things that are just super girly, or anybody who just loves all of that. It's just so much fun. And so I feel like to play off of that, it was a lot of fun in this album on every layout to just add as many embellishments as I could. It just added to the chaos and made the page look so much better, and I feel like it just truly speaks to that super girly girl type of person. I feel like sometimes while we're paper crafting, it can be scary to use all of your embellishments because it's like, what if you run out? What if you really like that one? What if there was another idea you could have used it for? But just don't be afraid. Add whatever you want. The embellishments, you can always make more. You will always find more. There's plenty of paper in the world, and it's not something that you need to be afraid of losing. Happy tag here I cut out of the corner of a scrap of a journaling card, so all those scraps, don't throw them away, they're so useful. And then of course that little happy was just a little die that I had. And because I did it on the bottom, of course I have to bring some of that embellishment kind of squashing to the top to balance everything out. And I even had a matching doily to put at the top, so that's really fun. Love to know what you're working on currently. I'm not really sure where to get started. I'm still looking for a scrapbook album to start, and I don't know in what theme I want to do it in. So definitely leave me your ideas down below in the comments, or just say hi if you haven't started scrapbooking yet, and get started whenever you're ready. I hope this video inspires you to get crafty if you haven't already, and just to be creative and do all of the things that you love, because I love scrapbooking and it truly brings me joy. If you make anything inspired by the scrapbook layout, be sure to tag me. I'm on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, all of the things, and I would love to see what you make. And if you're interested in adding this scrapbook layout to your own scrapbook album, I have a printable page available at the link in the description, mimimade.com. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!